This projector costs around 400 euros and creates a 108-inch image in my living room. I have owned it for around 6 months now, and after trying several other projectors and returning every single one of them, this is the one I decided to keep. In this video, I'll show you what I like, what I don't like, and what I've learned after living with it for several months. Unlike portable projectors, this one is designed to stay in one place. Mine has been permanently mounted on the ceiling for the past 6 months. The projector is positioned approximately 3.5 meters away from the wall. And at that distance, I'm getting a projected image of around 108 inches diagonally. Before buying this projector, I thought portability was important. After trying several portable projectors, I realized that constantly deciding where to place them, finding a power outlet, and adjusting the image every time quickly became a headache. Even though many portable projectors offer features like autofocus and automatic keystone correction, I often found myself making manual adjustments anyway. Once I installed this projector permanently, I simply forgot about all of that. I just turn it on and start watching. Another thing worth mentioning is that the projector itself is not smart. Epson offers a more expensive model, the CO-FH02, which includes an Android TV dongle. At the time of making this video, the CO-FH01 costs around 400 euros, while the CO-FH02 sells for around 600 to 650 euros. Instead, I bought a Xiaomi TV Stick 4K for around 55 euros. This gives me access to Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, Bluetooth audio devices, and all the apps I need while saving me roughly 150 to 200 euros. One of the biggest surprises for me was how usable this projector is during daylight. What you're seeing now is the projector with the curtains fully open, partially closed, and completely closed. For cartoons, YouTube, sports, and casual viewing, I found the image perfectly usable even during the day. For movies, however, I still prefer to close the curtains to get the best possible experience. This projector does not have automatic keystone correction. You need to adjust it manually during installation. Some people may see this as a disadvantage, but honestly, I don't think it's important for permanent installation. The adjustment process only takes a few minutes, and once you've found the image you like, the projector remembers those settings. I've only had to do this once. One concern people often have with lamp projector is lamp life. The lamp is rated for up to 6,000 hours in normal mode and up to 12,000 hours in eco mode. I almost always use eco mode, and if you watch 4 hours every day, that's more than 8 years of use. Replacement lamps currently cost around 100 to 120 euros. The projector also keeps track of total lamp usage, so you always know how many hours you've used. One downside of this projector is fan noise. In normal mode, the fan becomes quite noticeable. The good news is that I almost never use normal mode because eco mode is bright enough for my living room. In eco mode, the projector is very quiet. On the side, you'll find the available connections, including HDMI and USB ports. Maintenance is always very simple. The projector uses an air filter, but in my experience, there's no need to remove the projector from the ceiling in order to clean it. I simply vacuum the filter area every now and then, which has been enough so far. The built-in speaker is located on the top of the projector, which means it faces downward when the unit is mounted upside down like mine. For casual viewing, the built-in speaker is perfectly usable. However, because I'm using a Xiaomi TV Stick, I usually connect to Bluetooth headphones or my soundbar for a better audio experience. After 6 months of ownership, I still think this is one of the best purchases I've made for home entertainment. What I thought would matter before buying, portability, auto keystone, and smart features, turned out not to matter very much. What actually mattered was brightness, reliability, screen size, and ease of use. If you're looking for an affordable full HD projector from a well-known brand, I think the Epson CO-FH01 offers excellent value for money.